Welcome to this tutorial on how to share your live location on WhatsApp on Android. Sharing your live location can come in handy when you're meeting someone or want to update your friends and family about your whereabouts. With just a few simple steps, you can easily share your live location on WhatsApp. So let's get started. To share your live location on WhatsApp on Android, follow these steps. 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. 2. Open the chat with the person or group you want to share your live location with. 3. In the chat window, tap the paperclip icon located at the bottom right corner. 4. From the options that appear, select Location. 5. On the next screen, tap Share Live Location. 6. Choose the duration for which you want to share your live location. You can choose from 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. 7. Tap Send to share your live location with the selected chat members. 8. Your live location will now be updated in real time and shared with the selected chat members for the duration you chose. 9. To stop sharing your live location, tap Stop Sharing in the chat window. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your live location on WhatsApp on Android. This can be helpful if you're meeting someone or want to keep your friends and family updated on your whereabouts. In conclusion, sharing your live location on WhatsApp on Android is a quick and easy process. Just remember to open the chat, tap the paperclip icon, select Location, and then choose Share Live Location. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.